With the wheel going at a moderate speed, what you can do is use a round wood rib on the interior concave surface. Smooth that out. Right hand pushing back in. Applying a little water and then repeating that step again. And it's always best to do this several times, taking away a little bit of clay each time, as opposed to taking away a lot of clay once. And here we're just kind of smoothing out the curve and getting it ready for the next throwing operation. Different shape ribs will give you different shape curved areas.